Loni, tol, tapos na kami sa closing pero ngayon naman home insurance na ang iniisip ko. Kailangan ko ba talaga yan? Oo tol, hindi lang kailangan, requirement siya ng lender. Pero higit pa dyan, it's your financial safety net. Let me break it down for you. What homeowners insurance covers? Yung structure, bubong, walls, windows, personal belongings, liability kung may masaktan sa property mo, even damages caused by your pets. But here's what's not covered. Malfunctioning appliances, floods and earthquakes, kailangan mo ng separate coverage. Slow leaks, neglect, or faulty repairs. 7 tips para sulit ang insurance mo. Number 1, prioritize service, not just the price. Mura nga, pero kung mahirap ka kausap sa claim, walang kwenta rin. Ask around for referrals. Number 2, choose the right amount of coverage. Don't just insure for market value. Calculate the cost to rebuild your home. Number 3, ask about add-ons. Nasa flood-prone area ba kayo? Add flood coverage. May collectibles or jewelry? Ask if you need higher coverage limits. Number 4, decide replacement cost or actual cash value. Gusto mo ba ng bagong ref o bayad sa luma mong ref? Replacement cost equals higher premium pero better payout. Number 5, consider higher deductibles. Mas mataas na deductible equals mas mababang monthly premium. Pero siguraduhin kaya mo pag may claim. Number 6, bundle if it makes sense. Home plus car insurance equals discounts minsan. Pero compare pa rin if mas sulit siya. Number 7, reassess yearly. Nag-renovate ka ba? Nagkaroon ng side business sa bahay? I-update ang policy para fully covered ka. Wow, tol! Ang dami palang dapat isaalang-alang. Kala ko pipirme lang ng form. Madami nga bro, pero with the right guidance, maayos ang coverage mo and you protect your biggest investment. Bibili ka ba ng bahay or just reviewing your coverage? Message Merloni Pedrosa for trusted insurance referrals and a free homeowner protection guide.